Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute on this Saturday, the 25th of October. Nice day setting up for the eastern seaboard, other than a few patchy clouds up in northern New England and in parts of interior western New York and Pennsylvania. It should be no worse than partly sunny today, if not mostly sunny, and that condition will extend down into Florida. As we look to the west, we have a strong disturbance moving eastward across Oklahoma and then going eastward from there. Showers, thunderstorms, and heavy rains are loaded up on the radar. This is an area that's going to be dealing with potentially some severe weather and flash flooding, and you can see what the radar looks like this morning as of 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. There's nothing anywhere close by. The radars in the east are pretty much shut down and will remain so as we move our way through the weekend. Before I show you what's going on the surface map, let's just quickly touch upon tropical storm Melissa, which is about to become a hurricane. It's at 16.3 north, 75 west. We have hurricane warnings up for Jamaica. We have tropical storm warnings and hurricane watches remaining in effect for Haiti. And we're talking about a literally a slow crawl over the next 4 days. And we're also seeing that Melissa is strengthening and may strengthen rapidly today into Sunday, forecast to become a major hurricane and possibly a strong Category 4 before it makes landfall on Jamaica sometime Monday night and or early Tuesday, and then from there it goes on to Cuba and then out into the open waters of the Atlantic. I really don't believe this is going to be a problem for the East Coast. Meanwhile, back to the weather here going forward. Big dome of high pressure covering the eastern part of the United States. It's extensive. It is not going anywhere with respect to development here. It's just going to sit in the east, keeping our weather nice, but we are seeing cooler temperatures. Daytime highs for the most part going forward will be mainly in the 50s in most places. Maybe the odd spot gets to 60, and nighttime lows will be in the 30s and 40s. We're actually going to see colder nights going into Sunday night, Monday morning, and Monday night, Tuesday morning. Meanwhile, low pressure in the deep south moves eastward. I don't see any issues from this. We should be fine through Tuesday, but the gradient's going to start to tighten up, and we're going to see one piece of this go out to the east. Another one will probably form and move northward, and this will bring, I think, some wind and rain to the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states late this week. Joe and Joe Weather Show, by the way, will be back Sunday night at 7:35 p.m.